Welcome to my channel. My name is David Boles, General at Boles, and what I do is help dental practices increase their revenue through custom marketing strategies. To use social media effectively, you need to create content that shows you as an expert in your industry. And now we'll see how to do that in practice. The first thing is to make your pages on social channels communicate who you are and what you do. So, it's important to take care of your profile image, cover image, bio, and highlighted posts for this purpose. You'll find in the first comment on the video description a link to book a free session with me or one of my best team members where we'll go over all these things. Afterwards, if you're satisfied with the work, we can also consider a collaboration to optimize your online presence and thus benefit your brand's image and your finances. Now, stay until the end because this will be a value-packed video right up to the last minute. Okay, we say that to attract new patients thanks to social media, we must appear as experts. And once we have fixed the look of our social channels, it's important to also take care of the content we publish to maintain this purpose. To appear as the expert and acquire new patients, the content you publish on social media must attract and educate the viewer. So it's important that in these contents you debunk myths about your industry, make comparisons of cases or situations, talk about common problems, their consequences if not resolved, and what solution there are. Create step-by-step tutorials, analyze problems perceived by the patient, comment on industry news giving your opinion as an expert, analyze your own case studies or those of others. Now, let's see how to work on social media. Obviously, the more content you publish and the more social channels you use, the more you'll be able to reach more people organically and create a fortress around yourself to avoid being attacked by competitors. It's clear that if you have a strong online presence with lots of published content, it will be difficult for a new competitor to take market shares from you. So, how can you publish lots of content on multiple social channels with the least possible effort? Let's see that together now. You just need to create a pillar content, which is a long video of more than 5 minutes that you can publish on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, from which you can also extract the audio and publish it as a podcast on Spotify or similar platforms. From this long video, which we call pillar content, we can extract other contents that we will call micro content. These micro contents can be short videos of 2-5 minutes, blog articles, quotes, carousels, audiograms, stories, reels or shorts, and even an email newsletter. You can also choose to do live video occasionally, which can serve well as pillar content from which to create micro content, where you do Q&As with your community. This can help you create more rapport with your audience and be perceived as an expert. In the stories, in addition to announcing the release of the pillar content on YouTube or a quote we may extract from the pillar content, you can also publish testimonials, the launch of new offers, or simply show some moments of your day to create more touch points with your audience that follows you. Now, let's quickly see what content can be published on each social channel. LinkedIn: long videos, audiograms, short videos, articles, quotes, carousels. YouTube: long videos, shorts, quotes, carousels. Blog: articles. Facebook: long videos, reels, audiograms, short videos, quotes, and stories. Instagram: reels, quotes, carousels, and stories. TikTok: reels, carousels, and stories. Twitter: quotes and carousels. Podcast: audio extracted from the long video, our main pillar content if you remember. You understand well that if from every long video that you can publish on 4 different social channels, you can create at least one micro content to publish on each social channel, you will be able to create a multitude of contents with minimal effort. Now, let's see the KPIs that need to be monitored to understand whether the contents you are publishing are good or if they need to be fixed. The KPIs to watch are reach, which represents the number of individual people reached. Impressions, which represent the number of times that the content has been viewed. These two metrics must be compared with the number of conversions, i.e., the number of people who have contacted you or taken the action you wanted after seeing the content. This is, in fact, the most important metric of all. Finally, there is the engagement rate that measures the content's performance in terms of views and interactions, likes, comments, shares, etc. This tells you if the content has generated interest, and if so, you can create other similar content. Now, before ending the video, I want to recommend some essential tools for creating the creation and publication of content on your social channels. These tools are Metricool, which helps you plan content on all your connected social channels, shows you the numeric performance of the published content, and helps you understand what time of the day to publish on each day of the week. Vid.io is an online video editing platform that helps you create your micro content from the pillar content, add subtitles, and more in a very simple and quick way. Canva, which helps you create graphics like single images, carousels, thumbnails for videos, and more. Remember that you can find in the video description or in the first comment the link to book a free session together to review and fix the image of your social channels, which, I remind you, comes before the creation and publication of any content. You will also find the links of the recommended tools we saw together, which are Metricool, Vid.io, and Canva. Thank you for staying until the end. If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to the channel to receive other super valuable content like this. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one.